Okay, so yeah, how do you? Are you here?
Yes,
Okay. So can you turn on your camera? Wait, I still can see. Okay. Yeah. Okay then. So let me continue. So if you check on the code in Java code, there will be a lot of new line. What does it mean? So this is the automated generated code. So when you click on the panel on the design, so whenever you make a new one like name, hello, greeting, and the text, Eclipse will create automatically the Java code. So it will create the LPL name. This is the label for the name, and it shows the position. Okay. Where is the position of this label? As I mentioned to you, there are four numbers. So the first number is the X, the second number is the Y, and this is the size, and this is the X size and the Y size. And we want to add that label into this panel. So we have many things here. So like we have the label hello, we have the button greeting. In the button greeting, we have the action. So this is the action. And let's take a look on the action. So the LBL hello dot set text. Okay. So do you still remember? We have the set get. So in the object oriented, we learn about the mutator and we learn about the accessor. So it's the same with that idea. So we have the set. Set means this one. We have one parameter, string. So it means we want to mute it or we want to modify the text. And get. So it means we want to get the text. So in this case, set. So we want to modify the LBL hello. What is LBL hello? The LBL hello start with hello. And then we have the comment. The LBL hello will be modified with the LBL hello.get text. So you want to get the text. The original text is hello. So the original text here is hello. And then plus the txt name dot get text. So what is txt name? So the txt name is the text field. Then we want to get the text. The text, it is the text that you input. Okay. Then if we input half, then it will show hello half. If you input soul, then it will show hello soul, and so on. So that's the greeting. Okay. So let's continue with the next one. Now I would like to add two more buttons. Okay. So I would like to add check and exit. So in the check and exit, so there's the number one and the exit number two, and number three will be another label. So let's do one by one. Okay, I didn't explain the step by step, but let's do it first for the button, and then change the variable name to button check, and then change the text to check. And then next we go to another J button, and then change the variable name to button exit, and then change the text to exit. And then we have J label, the variable name will be LBL result, and the text will be result. Okay, let's make one by one. First, you need to go to the design, and then you will do the button, click on the J button, and then put here, and then let's make this button as PTN checked, and then you will make the text will be checked. Okay, and after that you will need a new button again beside the check. Let's make this one as button exit, and then we have the text is exit, and then we have another J label. So in the J label we have the LBL result, and then we have this text is result. Okay, so after you have this one, let's see what we can do next. So we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, everything is done. Then next we need to deal with the exit button first. With the exit button, okay, so if you want to modify, you can double click on the exit button. So you will go to this action. So this is what will you do? To what will you do when a user click exit? Okay, so in this case, I will check. Yeah, we have this statement. Okay, so I will copy and paste this one. Now you will have one error. What is this error? So you can move your mouse here, and yeah, the first option is to import J option pin. Can you see that one? Okay, so if you finish until this exit, so there's an error, and if you move your mouse here, you will see there is an option, there's an alternative, import J option pen. Okay, so you can click this one. When you click that one, then it will show no errors. So it means we need to input this one, Java X swing J option pin. So you can see whenever you make a new component in the panel, like button or text field or label, so it will automatically add the Java swing components in the top of your code. Okay. So there is no errors. We will check what is the result from this one. Okay. And this is about the exit button. What about the check button? So the check button, the same with the previous one. Please do the double click. So you can go to the design. So the check button, double click on it. So here you can, what will you do when the user check, click check, okay? So yeah, you need to write some statements here so the user will be able to do something. Okay? So for example, I give this code. So you can copy this one. Okay, there's an error. Txt. Oh, this is not text name, so this is txt name. Okay. So when we have this, I guess we enough. So let's run. So for example, I have soul. So you press greeting, then hello soul. What about if you run the check? Okay, the result is it is not a number. Oh, what is it? It seems that I need to enlarge a little bit. Okay, so this is too small. So if I press exit, what happened? Oh, we have an option. Do you want to end the program? Yes or no? So if you click yes, then now the program ends. So if you want to extend this one, you can enlarge the result. Okay. And then let's check the code. When you press exit, you will see that there is an option, yes, no option. Okay. So the J option pane is the Java library, and it will show you the yes, no option. Yes, no option means you can have two options, yes or no. So in the J option pane, actually there are many other kind of option pane. There are many other options like cancel option, close option, error message, okay, etc. So for example, if you want to have like yes, no, cancel option, okay, you can also do that with that one. And then it depends on your answer. If your answer is yes, then system.exit 0. So it means you will close the program. Okay. If you do not want to end the program, it means you will still continue the program and the program will still active. Now, what happened with the check? So in the check, the first is you want to get the text name, get text. So the text will be saved in the variable text, and the variable text is in the form of string. And then I would like to know the length of the text. So the length means how many characters do we have. And then the count variable, it is integer, starts with 0. And then you will have the boolean. Boolean is a true or false. Okay. So I have the num equals to true. And I have while loop. So I would like to check every of the character. Now I would like to loop from the 0 until the length. So if I have like half, then it means I will select from the first character H and then U and F and S. Okay. So the first I would like to check if the character, what is this one? So this is a Java class. Is digit. What is this? If you do not know, you can click and then you can see this explanation. So the Java class or the Java method that has been in the Eclipse, there can be explanation like this one. So here it determines if the specified character is a digit. So what is digit? Here is digit. So it is a number between 0 until 9. And you will see if it is 0 until 9, then true. But if it is not 0 until 9, then false. And I want to check for every of the text at a character at the count. What is it? Character at count. Kang Yerium. Kang Yerium, are you here?
Professor Tejise Kangye.
Sorry? Hello?
Yes, I'm here.
Oh, okay. Okay, so what is the meaning by char at?
Here, the first one.
Sorry, can you say one more time?
Professor, excuse me, but who did you call?
Yeah.
I couldn't hear the name exactly.
Oh, Kang Ye-hyun?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, okay.
The
So what
first,
is the meaning by char at?
the first letter of the word, the character.
Mm, the first word of the,
Oh,
or what, the first character of the word?
the first character of alphabet.
The first character of the word. So what is the meaning by count then? Okay. Almost correct. Okay, but can you turn on your camera? Can you hear me? Okay, yeah, thank you. So, okay, let me ask other student. Ryu Hyunsun,
Yes.
well, what does it mean by the char at?
Oh,
Please turn on your camera. Okay. What is the meaning by char at?
oh. Return the character.
Okay, but we have count, which is integer. No idea. Well, let me call.
I don't know.
Yeah, okay, let me call other student. Thank you, Ryu Hyunsun. Kim Doksu. Kim Doksu, are you here? No. Kim Sung Hak.
Yes.
Okay. So what does it mean by char at? When you turn on your camera. Okay. So what does it mean by char at?
Convert string to character.
Sorry?
Convert string to character.
Convert string to character. Okay, almost. Okay. So we want to know the character of one word. So if there are 4 characters like this one, so I can say that H is in the character at position 0. U is a character at position 1. So we have the same thing like array. Okay. So if you have like this one, then F is the character at index 2. S is the character at index 3. Okay, so that's what we want to check from here. So if we have HUFS, it will check one by one. And if the character is a digit, if the character is a number, 0 until 9, then plus plus. If not, then num equals to false. Num equals to false means we change this boolean into false. and then break. Okay, what does it mean by break? Pak Chiang? Pak Chiang, are you here? Pak Chiang?
Yes.
No? Oh, yeah. So what does it mean by break? What does it mean by break?
Stop.
Yeah. No? No idea?
Stop the room.
You don't know? Okay. And Sun Hyun-suk?
Yes.
Okay, so what does it mean by break? Okay, can you turn on the camera?
Yeah.
Okay,
Kind of
so
stop.
stop. Okay, so we want to stop the loop. Okay, thank you, Sun Hyun-suk. So we want to stop the loop. If the count is still less than length, but if we found no digit, then just stop. Okay. So it means I do not have interest on the character which is not a number. I just want to find numbers. Okay. And then I have if num. So I want to know if it is the statement is true or false. Hasn't you?
Yes.
Okay. So can you turn on your camera? So if num, is it true? Is it correct statement? Correct or not?
Correct.
Correct? Oh, why? Why? Oh, I cannot see your camera. Hasn't you? Hello, hello. Hasn't you?
Yes.
Yeah. So yeah. Why do you think that this is correct?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. And Chesaya, are you here?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Then what do you think about this one? Okay, can you turn on your camera? Is it correct or incorrect?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. 31. Are you here? No? And okay. Park Sung-eun?
Yes.
Okay, so is it correct or incorrect?
Correct.
Correct. Why? Oh, sorry. Can you turn on your camera?
Oh, okay.
Correct. Why?
Because it's Boolean.
Boolean. Okay, that's true. Because num is Boolean. In Boolean, we have true or false.
False. Yes.
Yeah, so this is in the if statement, we need to find whether it is true or false. Because num is Boolean, then it is correct. Thank you very much, Prof. Solon. So we have the system that out print line, it is a number if the number is true. If it is not true, then we will print it is not a number. So we got it is not a number. So all the words are letters A, B, C, D, something. Now, if I change this one, let's say I put 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then I check. Okay, now it is a number because the condition now every character is a digit. Digit is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I hope that you understand. So we have the dialog box. Okay, so this is for the yes no question. And yeah, we have the two buttons, yes and no. And it depends if you have yes no option, then there will be 2. If you use yes no cancel, then there will be 3. So here is we have the yes no option. Okay. So if you want to change like yes yes no cancel, for example. Yeah, so we have 3. So you can change if you want. Now if you press exit, then you have 3 options. Yes, no, and cancel. Okay. So Java provide those kind of things to make the user interface is more reliable. Okay. Any questions? Okay, if no question, then I will continue to the next. Now we are going to create more complex components. Okay. So in this case, we are going to use other various components, and I would like to explain about report. Okay. So we are going to make one more GUI, and let's make a coffee shop. Okay. So this step is a bit long. Okay. So I will do the step by step. Okay. So the first, we will make a coffee shop, which is the GUI, and then we need to write the object order. So the object order means I want to make a Java class, and the class name is order.java. And then I would like to make one client program, which is coffee shop.java. Okay, so let's do one by one. Let's make coffee shop.java. So do you still remember how to make the first Java file for this one? Okay, I will also do the attendance check. Okay. Kiminji? Are you here?
Yes.
Okay. So how should I create the new Java JFrame?
One more time, please.
How shall I create the new file for the user interface? So how can I create this greeting? Yeah, I want to make a new file. I want to make coffee shop.java. So what should I do?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yes.
Okay. Very easy answer. So, Woo Jong-uk, Ojawuk, are you here?
Yes.
Okay. So if I want to create a new Java file for this user interface, what should I do for the first time?
Mm,
You don't know? Well, please turn on your camera. You don't know?
please say one more time.
Sorry?
Please say one more time.
If I want to make a new class for the user interface,
Yes.
so what should I do?
Make a file.
Okay, create a file. How?
Um,
It seems you are not in your computer.
yes.
Okay. Okay, then let me ask other student. Adam.
Yes.
Okay. So if I want to make a new Java file, what should I do?
Oh, first project, click
Okay.
right button
Okay. And then,
and new
okay. And then
and click other
other. Okay.
and JFrame
JFrame. Okay. That's right.
and next
Next. Okay.
package maybe
Let me put in the section 09 and then
and name is coffee shop.
coffee shop. Okay. That's correct. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, so I always remember all the names who answer me correctly. Thank you, Iaram. And we have the new file, coffee shop. Okay. So I would like to know from So Chong-en, are you here?
Yes.
Okay. So what does it mean by 100 and 100 here?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. Lee Chong-sok.
Yes.
Okay. What does it mean by 100, 100 here?
Mm, I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. You?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know what is the meaning by 100, 100 here?
Point X, point Y.
Okay, so this is the point that we will create the user interface. Okay, so I cannot see your camera. You. Can you turn on your camera? Hello, you. Hello, you. Are you there?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So 100, 100 is the first point. So the X is 100 and the Y is 100. So this is the starting point for the frame. Okay. And what is the 450 and 300? Okay, so thank you, Young Yu. Im Chun Yup.
Yes.
Okay, what is the meaning by 450 and 300?
Size and wide.
Okay, the height and the width. The height and the width. Okay, thank you. Okay, so we have, yeah, the 100 and 100 is the starting point, and then 450 and 300 is the size. Okay, so let's make the first coffee shop menu. Okay, now it's very complex. Okay, and let's do one by one. I hope that I can finish for this one. So the first, we need to make the absolute layout. Okay, so don't forget that you need to choose the absolute layout. So you can go to the design and you can extend this one. So you can just click absolute layout and then push your mouse, just move your mouse here and then click one more time. After you have the absolute layout, let's create two panels. The first panel is the green color and the other panel will be the yellow panel. Okay. So let's make the J panel. So if I click here, so I can enlarge this one. Okay. And then I would like to use J panel. Okay. So the J panel is here. So I will make the first panel and then I will make another J panel here. So if you want to change the background here, there's the background color. Okay, here. Yeah, you can see the background. So the background is you can change. For example, yeah, I want to change to green. And then this one, I want to change the background to orange, for example. So you can see now the background has been changed to green and orange. So let's make the variable. The first will be menu panel and the other will be order panel. So this one, the name of the variable will be menu panel. And then the second one, the name will be order panel. And I will do the next step. Okay. So I will do the next step one by one from number 1 until number 13. Okay, so let's do with the first with the absolute layout. Choose the absolute layout and then put in this panel, in the menu panel. And then after that, follow this one. So I guess you can follow this. So first, J label. Okay, let me just do it one by one. Maybe I will make the split like this one. It will be easier. So I will make J label. So the J label is LBL menu. And then I will create the text as menu. And then I will have J combo box. So J combo box is below the J label. After you click this one, you can put the J combo box beside the menu, and then you can enlarge. So in the J combo box, the variable name will be combo box. Okay, let's just the name be combo box. And then you have the model. So the model, when you click this one, yeah, you can see what items you want to include. So for example, on this menu, I just want to have Americano. And then let's say I have cappuccino. Okay, so I have two options. Click OK, then you will see the first item is Americano. Okay, and then you can have another number 4. Now we have the label again. So someone can select the size. So the label will be LBL size, and then this text will be size. And then the size is an option. So you can use the J radio button. So the J radio button here, you can have this one. The first J radio button is radio button. We call this is radio button. I will explain later. This is RDBTN regular. Okay. And I can change the text to regular. Then I will make also another J radio button beside this one. So the variable name is large, and then the text will be also large. So you will have like this one, okay. And then next I will have number 7, which is about the label. And then I will have this one as an option. So it is the LBL option. And then I have the text option. And then I have the J checkbox. So the J checkbox, you can see the J checkbox is below the combo box. You click this one and then you can put here. So the checkbox here, I would like to say about the takeaway. So the variable name will be changed to takeaway. So this is CHC KBX takeaway. Okay. And then the text will be changed to takeaway. And then I have another checkbox. And let me just put also the same with the variable start with CHC KBX. And then the variable name is whipped cream. Okay, and then the text I changed to whipped cream. Okay, and then I have the label quantity. So I can make this label LBLQTY, and then I will make this text as QTY, and then I have J spinner. So if you see this one, there is a J spinner. So J spinner is the counter. So you want to get how many items you want to buy, and then you will have another label which is about sales. So here is LBL sales, and then the text is sales, and then I have the text field. In this text field, I will make the variable as txt sales, and then I will check this one, editable. Now the editable is true, but yeah, please uncheck that one. So this uneditable is unchecked. Okay. And for the remaining, the order panel, I need to create 3 buttons. So first I will do with the absolute layout for the panel, and then I will make 3 buttons. So the first button is the button order, and let's make the text order. And then I will make the second button, which is report. And this name will be button report. And then exit. Okay. Okay, I think I will finish until this one. So I will continue the class on Monday. So as I mentioned to you, on Monday you will have quiz. Okay. So let me finish with the attendance check. Okay. Sim Doksu, are you here? No? Isong Han?
Yes.
Okay. Ichihu?
Yes.
Okay. Chang Jin Woo?
Yes.
Okay. Chong Do Yun? Chong Do Yun? No? Chong So Hee?
Yes.
Okay. Cha Ji Won?